Hey, welcome back. Before I start talking my nonsense, I want to give a thanks to everyone for reaching 100 subscribers, and that means a lot for me, and it just motivates me more to give you guys more. So I would just want to tell you thank you. We're gonna stay on the topics of loops, and we're gonna go back for loops, but not because of the for loops, because I want to talk a little bit about break and continue and demonstrate what they do, just in case you run into situations where you can use that. I've never used them though, well, besides break and switch statements, but I never used them in a for loop as an actual scenario as of yet, but I'm going to demonstrate what you could use it for, or how to use it, excuse me. So, okay, so let's start with a simple, let's do a quick loop. Maybe a list of groceries, or different type of foods. Okay, let's do different group types. Food groups. And let's make an array. Let's create a empty string for text. So I made text into an empty string, and let's say I, because I'm gonna call a for loop right here. We're gonna say in this group. So we're gonna say in here is we're gonna say, let's just console.log. Let's say text is going to equal to food groups, and then I'm going to make it a index array, or an array, because I is equal to 0 initially, and if I is less than food groups dot length, which dot length means it covers the entirety of the loop. If not, it'll count just the individual index by its character type. So plus I++, which it increments every time the loops gets ran, as long as it's less than food groups dot length. Once it hits that limit, then it stops. Anyways, you already know that. Alright, so let's see. So let's run this bad baby. Oh, whoops. After the argument. What? All right, there it goes. Okay, now we have this loop working. Hold on a second. Okay, like I said, now we got this all the results of the loop working. Now we're going to use the break to break the loop before it runs through the entire loop. So let me see. So here in this block of statement, I'm going to say, so say I want to eliminate this, I want to break out of the loop after fruits, right? So the way I would say is, I would say if I is equal to index 0, 1, two, I'm gonna say break. Save it, and then if I save it and run it, it should stop at fruits. I mean, well, it's not that vegetables because I didn't equally. So okay, I'll take that back. If it seems like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I say 5, all of them will be covered. Okay, if I say 2, then the first 2 will get covered. From what it seems like. Okay, I see. So if I put three items, grains, vegetables, and fruits, save. Oops. Well, there you go. That's how you would break if you wanted to break out of the loop. Now, if there's statements continuing after you break the loop, then the statements will finish. But once it breaks the loop, it's gonna finish whatever statement you have, if you have it, and then that's it for that block of code. All right, now unlike break, which will stop the iteration at the point where it's called to break. Continue. On the other hand, continue. What that means is it'll skip that iteration, but then continues to proceed to finish the loop. So what I mean is, so let me see. So here we're gonna put continue instead of break. So ain't not much to change. So let's save this. Let's clear first and run it again. Okay, you can see here grains, vegetables, fruits. It skipped meat and went to milk. So it started from 0 as 1. So 0, 1, 2, meat is 3, and that's what got skipped out of the iteration. But then it proceeded to continue. So if I say, I wonder what happens if I do this. Maybe grains will get skipped. Yep. So it goes from vegetables, fruits, meat, and milk, and that's it. That's all. That's it for break and continue, and using for loops and JavaScript. So, alright, man. This is it for this video. I've been reading some of the comments from some of you guys, and I will be answering your requests. So just continue to stay tuned. If you like this video, please hit that like button, and if you find this value, then you know what you gotta do. Subscribe. But that's it for this video.